Hello, Ed. This is Evan for the class ending in the week of October 20th for the Object-Oriented Programming class. So the goals for this week was to get our wheels, which I have here as the dictionary, working in our program, which is over here. And in this, we actually have it reading from a text file. So we can go ahead and input whatever we want. Let's say this is the text to be encrypted, period. You can go ahead and save that. You can close that down and bring the actual code up to full screen now. So we're going to import the wheels and import the little thing that reads the text file. We go ahead and run it in the terminal. We also have the ability to choose what wheels we're going to use in what order to get more fancy with it, I suppose you could say. So let's use the wheels in the order of 3-1-2. And it just tells you again what wheels you have in case you're not sure. We're encrypting. And now we're decrypting. So we can go ahead and copy this here and paste it down here. And again, we get the message, this is the text to be decrypted, or encrypted, sorry. So we have it working all well. Wheels are fine. I definitely need to add more. Obviously, this is just for the text case right now. There's only 3. This is working well. But if we're going to be reading it from a file, I'm not too sure that why we have the, press 1 to encrypt or 2 to decrypt, because it's just going to go straight from 1 to 2. It's not really much point in having a which one would you like. Because if you're doing 1, you're going to be going to 2 next, anyway. So that's pretty much it for now, and it's all working well.